A man will look at your face, a man will look at your body, a man will look at your skin color, your height, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you dress. But the minute you start looking at his pocket, oh, now you are a criminal. The minute woman wants stability, security, she becomes a gold digger. A man being rich, just like a woman being beautiful. So why the one is accepted and the other is judged? So if I want my future partner to be rich, if I want him to provide for me, what's wrong in that? So if there is someone who is telling you that you are asking for too much, go tell them find less. And men who are really generous and they take pride in providing for their women. Let me ask you something. If you are a woman who is watching this video and you are earning really well, wouldn't you love to provide for your mother or for your sister? When you actually care for them, you naturally want to make their life easier. If you ask a woman, what do you mean by princess treatment? She would mention, I want him to hold a door for me. I want him to give me flowers. Really? You could ask for a land. I mean, this is the basic courtesy. I could hold a door for you. I would love to hold a door for my female friends. You are asking for these basic things and he can't even give you that. And you are calling these basic things princess treatment. Oh my god. First of all, you need to redefine the definition of your princess treatment. If you set your bar so low, don't be surprised when people only treat you with bare minimum. If as a woman I can show that kind of love, that kind of care to my female friend, why can't the person who claimed that he love you do the same? Stop saying to yourself, oh, I'm asking for too much. And some of you really convinced yourself that you are asking for too much or you don't deserve good things in your life. And that is the reason why you are not getting those things. Maybe someone in your past made you believe that this is all you deserve. Sometimes it's your mindset that keeps you stuck. When you are treated poorly for a long time, even the basic things start feeling luxury. And that's dangerous. You have to keep reminding yourself that you deserve more and you deserve of good things. And if someone constantly gives you less than that, walk away. Most of the time people don't walk away because they think that's the only thing they deserve or they don't find something better than that. No, there is always something better is waiting for you. You just have to walk away. You just have to choose yourself and walk away. And you just have to trust that good things are gonna come to you or good things are gonna happen to you because it will. Stop settling for less. When you settle for less, you just give chance to that person to treat you poorly. And just because someone is providing for you, that doesn't mean you have to tolerate disrespect, creepy behaviors. No. It's the reason why you should always have to stand up on your feet. Why you need financial independence in your life. Why you need that stability on your own. I mean, nowadays people have the audacity to say, oh, I bought 370 ki biryani for her. I mean, seriously? Always the man who don't have gold will call you gold digger. A man who is truly generous and prosperous, they would never call you gold digger. They love to treat you with respect. It's always the creepiest one that is calling you those things because they can't do that.